Would you like to learn how to make some super yummy homemade cornbread just like this? You would? Good, because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Let's get started by heating your oven to 425 degrees. My first secret to super yummy cornbread is to add a little bacon grease to the frying pan before putting it in the oven. But if you don't eat pork, you can just use some oil instead. I was just trying to help your palate. I just love the smoky, savory flavor that the bacon grease gives to the cornbread. Then we're gonna pop the pan in the oven for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the pan is smoking hot. Doing this step is going to ensure that the cornbread has crisp, yummy edges. In the bowl, I have flour and some cornmeal, and I'm adding some baking powder, some pink Himalayan salt, and some black pepper. The exact measurements and ingredients list will be in the description box below. Then next, we want to give all of that a good mix, get everything well combined. And then I like to put a little well in the center of the mixture so that I can put my wet ingredients in that little hole. Now here I have some buttermilk, and I'm going to add an egg, some melted butter, and yes, more bacon grease. Bacon is my drug of choice. Don't judge me. Only 1 teaspoon though, or just leave it out. The other thing that will take your cornbread to new yummy levels is to add a little sour cream. It's best if all of your wet ingredients are room temperature. This just helps everything to blend better, and it gives you a lighter, fluffier batter. And then we just want to pour that wet mixture into the dry mixture and mix it all up. But we don't want to overmix. If you have some lumps, that's good, because if you overmix it, that can make the cornbread too firm. I got my hot frying pan out of the oven, and now I'm just going to pour the cornbread mixture into the frying pan and spread and make everything all nice and smooth. And then we're going to pop it back in the oven at 425 for about 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, she's all done. She's looking all pretty and things. And I like to top it off with some more butter. Tell me in the comments if you like sweet cornbread or not. I actually love sweet cornbread. I don't like it when it's not sweet. But this cornbread I'm going to be using to make cornbread stuffing, and I don't like sweet stuffing, so that's why I didn't add any sugar. But if you like yours sweet, just add a ½ cup of sugar.
Lisa D Delight.
All I need now is some collard greens, baby. And be sure to look out for my cornbread stuffing recipe. The link may be above depending on when you're watching this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye.
Please, yeah, you got what I need, yeah. Help me split these peas, yeah. You got recipes, and you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe, and you make the food look so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.